Okay, right, so now it's time for the next video in the Unity 5 platform game tutorial. So what we need to do then is we need to start Unity. So we're in the project um, menu. So what we need is we need a new project, and I'm going to call the project platform game. So remember, no spaces. My location is going to be on my user area in my Unit 16 folder, Unity topic 11. So I'm going to select the folder. We also need to make sure that we choose 2D, and we're going to use some asset packages that come with Unity. So the one that we're going to use is going to be 2D. So we're going to add that to our project. Make sure you've got your project name, we've got the location, we've got 2D, and we've got our 2D asset package as well. So create project. Okay, so we just need to wait for everything to be set up for us now. So the usual stuff. Yep, so wait for the progress bars. Yep, so it might take some time. So we just need to wait for a while, and you can see that as we're waiting, it's building up the files that we need for the project. So you can see the assets files, etc. Don't worry too much about those. We're importing the scripts that we need now. And this is where it's bringing in all the assets that we asked for. So we've got the 2D sprites, plus we're going to have other things in there as well, which you'll see later on. So what we're going to do today then is we're going to look at how to add our character, we're going to look at how to add some platforms, and then finally that's it for this tutorial. Okay, so let's wait and let's see. Right, so hopefully Unity should appear now. There we go. So what I'll do, first of all, just point out that I'm using the 2x3 layout. I'm going to zoom out a bit as well so we can see everything within our scene. I'm going to change maximize on play here. We seem to have an error down here as well, so let's see if we can just get rid of that. Let's add the console window. We'll add it next to the game, and we'll just clear that just to get rid of it. So let's check it now, let's see if it works. Okay, so that's fine for now, so let's stop there. Right, what we're going to do first of all then is we're going to bring in our robot boy. So back into assets, click on standard assets. Let's just move that over a bit so you can see the folders better. So we've got a standard assets folder there. So double click on the 2D, double click on the prefabs, and this is our robot boy. So let's just bring our robot boy in. So we've got our robot boy. If we play now, our robot character just falls. So we need to add something for him to land on. So let's add a platform in. So we've got a platform now. So now our character has somewhere to stand. And you can move the character around using the arrow keys. You can jump with space. You can even use A and D if you wish. Right, so we've got our character, we've got a platform. Okay, let's add another character then. So let's add a slightly smaller, sorry, not character, another platform. Add in another platform. Make sure the platforms are not too close because you want the character to be able to fall down and not get stuck. So let's add that. So we've got another platform to jump on now, so we can jump from platform to platform, which is looking good. Okay, let's zoom out a bit and add a platform ramp as well, so he's got somewhere to run up. So let's add that there. So now if we play, go in, go to the platform. Oh, the robot boy the camera doesn't follow him. Okay, so we need to fix that. Right, so the easiest way to do that is to take the main camera, so grab the main camera, drag and drop onto the character robot boy. So the main camera is now a child of the robot boy, the character. And now if we play the game, what should happen is the camera should follow the character. Let's see. Okay, so now we've got the camera following the character. And if we go back, the character, there we go. Okay, so what I'd like you to do now is just build a very basic level. Just put in some more platforms, get used to your character moving around, and then we'll move on to adding a hazard in the next tutorial. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.